There are definitely several things that you need to do if you are looking forward to growing and scaling a widely successful career in digital marketing, and most importantly, getting the skills and acquiring as many experiences as you possibly can is very important. It's just like a pilot that wants to fly a commercial plane. One of the most important requirements would definitely be the flight hours, the total accumulated flight hours, right? And of course, as much as flight hours are important for a pilot to pilot a commercial flight, certifications and trainings also are very important to command a commercial flight. This also is applicable in digital marketing, right? You must gain the experience, no doubt about that, but very importantly, you must get trained and you must get certified. In my early days as a digital marketer, certification was one of the things that robbed me of the opportunity or the chance of landing high-paying jobs, and I wouldn't want you to make same mistake too, right? So there are several certifications, there are several digital marketing courses that you can take that offers free certifications also. I'll simply cover courses that are completely free and also offers free certifications. Some of them may be completely theoretical and some may be a combination of theory and practicals and of course assignments as well. Let's hop right into my screen immediately. Let me show you these 5 free digital marketing courses plus the certificates that they offer.
Right, so welcome here guys. Let's start by making a simple search for Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This brings us right here, right? And here we can click on this Learn Digital, this second result right here, and it takes us directly into Google's platform where we get to log in or sign up, right? So here I will simply tap on login here, and yeah, it's asking me to log in with my Gmail account. So I'll simply tap on this to log into my Gmail account, right? Then tap on continue. Yeah, it's asking me to accept terms of service. I'll simply do that and tap on submit right here. Yeah, it says past equivalent activity on the 13th of August 2020. Yeah, so I did this 2020 and I passed this on the 13th of August 2020. Yeah, so if you check through this, you'll see what I was able to do, right? So this is my final assessment right here. Yeah, so let's see fundamentals of digital marketing, right? Yeah, so it most likely may not allow me to do this anymore, right? It says you pass this tutorial. Okay, so this is everything you're going to be learning, right? Yeah, luckily for us, we are here, right? So online opportunity, your first steps in online success, build your website presence, plan your online business strategy, get started with search, get discovered with search, make search work for you, be noticed with search ads, improve your search campaign, get noticed locally, help people nearby find you online, discover the possibility of mobile, make mobile work for you, get started with content marketing, connect through email, advertise on other websites, deep dive into display advertising, make the most of video, get started with analytics, find success with analytics, turn data into insights, build your online shop, sell more online, expand internationally, get noticed with social media, and deep dive into social media. So this is what you will learn from the Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. So yeah, once again, I did this myself on the 13th of August 2020 and I got certified, right? Yeah, so let me see if I can pull up my certificates from here. Right. Okay. So yeah, I did this 2020. It says this. Okay, please click on the link to access. Wow. Okay, so it says Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, and Google Analytics topics have moved. Please use this link to access the content. So when I tap on this, it brings me right here. Yeah, so this is where we are at the moment. So these are all the courses: Google Ads certification. This is Google Analytics 4, Google Marketing Platform certification exams, and the list goes on and on, right? So let me try to sign in here. So sign in with Google. Once again, I'm going to be using my login details, my Gmail account to sign in. So continue from here. Once again, agree. Tap on I agree. Yeah. So accept this. So update. Okay. Additional field. Yeah. Patrick. So let me update my information. So update this. Right. It says changes saved or updated. All right. So nothing is currently happening here. This is simply happening because I've taken the course myself. So if you are yet to take the course, you may want to follow the same process that I just followed right now, right? And get enrolled into Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Now let's move on to HubSpot, right? So HubSpot, simply search for academy.hubspot.com right here, and it brings you to this particular page. You can sign up for free, right? This is for free, and when you tap on this, it brings you right here. So it's asking me to verify my email account. So yeah, I'll go right ahead and do the verification for my email account, right? So yeah, this is HubSpot here. Right, so this is the code from HubSpot. So I'll simply verify my account. Yeah, so verify email right here. So I'll paste this here and do next. Right, so it's asking me to create a password, then move on, right? So Patrick, do next. What field do you work in? Yeah, I work in the marketing field. Which best describe your role? Yeah, I'm an executive team. Yeah, company name. How many people work at a company? Just me. Right. So let's personalize your experience. This loads up and your experience is personalized on HubSpot. So what are you interested in learning? So marketing. Yeah. So content marketing. Advance my career, show the certificate courses to show all courses. This should be fine. So this is what you have. You see all of the courses here, right? So click on view all 55 results, and you will get to see the courses that are available on the HubSpot Academy. Once again, I've taken the inbound marketing certification course on HubSpot, and it was really a nice one. Let me be very sincere with you. Right. So apart from HubSpot, we have Aleph, right? Aleph is also a platform where you can get to learn digital marketing.
So I've shown you the Google's fundamentals of digital marketing. I've also shown you the HubSpot course platform, right, and the sign up process. So let's walk right now into Aleph, right? Aleph also gives you the opportunity of taking digital marketing, yeah, for free, right?
So here on my screen once again, this is Aleph, right? You can also just tap on sign in, right? You should see a place where you can sign up for Aleph's course, right? So you can click on join now. From here, if you click on join now, it asks you to sign up, put in all your information in about 3 steps, right? About 3 steps, and of course Aleph reach out to you on the course or the program that you should start with. So I'll simply log into my existing account on Aleph, right? So when you log in, you will see your course dashboard on Aleph, right? So yeah, the first thing it's asking me to do is to update my profile. So if you click on update profile, put in all of the information right here, right? Upload your own picture also and update. You'll be redirected to your course dashboard on Aleph, right? So Aleph also is completely free, right? And of course, you get certified as soon as you're done with the course also. Right, so these are some of the courses that are offered on Aleph: digital art certificate, digital art courses, and digital marketing and AI certificate. Right, so you can check out all of these courses to see if they resonate with your need, right? And you can pick it up from here. Do you understand? So yeah, moving on from here, apart from Aleph, we have the SEMrush, right? SEMrush Academy. So the SEMrush Academy also offers you a list of free online courses with certification. So free online courses to advance your marketing career. You can tap on Start Learning, right? So these are some of the instructors on the SEMrush Academy. We have the likes of Brian Dean. Brian Dean is my guy. He's been of great assistance to me in my early days in digital marketing. Some of the items, some of his free templates and guides were really helpful when I started out in digital marketing. So yeah, some of these other guys here, I may not know them, right? But I sure know Brian Dean. This is Brian Dean, the guy without hair on his head, right? On the lighter note, anyways. So start learning from here. Very intelligent guy, right? So look at this, is everything you can learn: emoji marketing mini course, get a job in digital marketing with no experience, become an AI powered marketer, and several other things, guys, that you can learn on SEMrush and get certified on. So I've taken the content marketing course and I got certified in that. You can also try that yourself. Right, so apart from SEMrush Academy, we have the Digital Success Place, right? The Digital Success Place is also a free course that you can also take, and it is completely free also with certification, right? So Digital Success Place is here. It says access a free digital marketing training and certificate. So when you tap on this at the top of the screen, right, this is the page. Over 3,440 students trained so far, and these are all the things you'll be learning. In the module 1, you will learn digital marketing tactics, website design, optimization and user experience, social media management, social media tactics, search engine optimization, developing a digital marketing strategy, content marketing strategy, and about 7 other modules also apart from this. So in total, there are about 13 modules under Digital Success Place, right? And yeah, a few testimonials from students that are taking these courses, right? So to get started with taking this particular course, you want to click on this particular link here to get started by filling out this form, right? So simply fill out this form here, and this also, and Digital Success Place will reach out to you. So you can download the course brochure from here, a complete PDF material that allows you to see the course brochure. So I'll fill out this information here. It says thank you for showing interest in this and all. So it brings me down to this particular course, and this is the brochure, the course outline for the course. This is everything you'll be learning here. About 16 different modules, and I think a total of about 71 videos, right? So yeah, this is for Digital Success Place. So once again, you have filled the information. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Digital Success Place will reach out to you with further instruction. You can also simply send them an email from here, or tap on this phone number here on WhatsApp to chat them up, or maybe on their live support right here. Do you understand? So chat them up and request that an account is created for you for the free course, and that will be done, right?
So that is it basically for now, guys. 5 free digital marketing courses that offer free certifications. Also talk about the HubSpot academy courses, talk about the Google fundamentals of digital marketing, the SEMrush academy courses that are handled by experts like Brian Dean himself, right? Talk about Aleph, the Aleph free digital marketing course and certification, and last but not least, the digital success place or DSP free digital marketing course plus certification also. So I hope this is helpful to you, right? Take your time to explore them, and of course leave me a comment if you find any one of them confusing. I will do my best to reach out to you and give you a proper guidance, right? So thank you so much once again, guys. Once again, motivate me by smashing on that subscription button below, right? So that I'm motivated to do more educational videos like this. And of course, also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when next I make educational videos like this also, you will not miss out on them. Thank you once again, and bye for now, guys.